Go. Hi, my name is Aarul. I'm going to show you about this. It's a puzzle. And I won't need this frame. That was for painting the puzzle and building. So first I need to take them apart and assemble them. Okay, so I know my pattern. I think we put these two together. That makes a perfect match. Let's see. Oh no, this might be the wrong match. Yeah, I think this is it. Well, let's go and get my sticker. I take it off and... Oh no, we messed it up. We put it the wrong way. I put it back on and... I need the frame, maybe. We probably just need it now to put the puzzle back together. Because I think the frame just helps you put it back together. Nobody's that good at it.
So I want you to little bit.
So first I need to do this. And now I do this. First I put it there. You see, this is how it looks when it's finished. So do you like it? Bye. Remember, I did science. Bye.